What's up, everybody? It's Terry from TERRYFIED. And on today's video, we have a little unboxing for you because you're so special. Yes, you are. From a product from VFX. If you don't know who VFX are, check them out in the link in the description below. They make a line of attack puppets like this. Those are pretty cool, right? Yeah, the only problem is they're just a little pricey. But what they do make is a Puppet Master kit so you can build your own, which I'm going to do. So let's get into this box. Let's see what comes in the Puppet Master kit, and let's just make our own puppet. All right?
The unboxing.
All right, guys. So, you know, they delivered this from USPS. It was pretty fast. Pretty fast. Only took a couple days. Sharp knife. Okay. And we got some bubble wrap. Ooh, little brochure. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's their attack puppets right there. You definitely got to check them out because they're pretty awesome. Oh, you can save some stuff too. Little coupons. All right, on. And so we got, looks like some instructions. Little quick start guide. Instructions. That's cool. Oh! A beer koozie! Heck yeah! I'm gonna use that tonight! There we go. There you go. Famous Puppets of Hauntland. And on this side, there's the VFXcreations.com. Right there. Check them out. And okay, we got a little charger. Right on. Got the little charger. Oh, got a little business card, or oh, that's cool. Patrick Voss. So Patrick Voss was pretty awesome. They're pretty awesome guys over there. He actually texted me and see if he wanted to pre-download sounds onto the speaker box here, and I said heck yeah. So he downloaded the zombie. I went for the zombie one because I want to make a zombie puppet. So that was pretty awesome of him to reach out like that. So definitely check them out. And so we got here, it looks like the controls, yeah, they are a little Cat 5 plug right there. Controls buttons, so usually these go in the leg of the puppets. When they're getting attacked, they could, you know, hit these switches, these buttons, and make different sounds out of the voice box. That's definitely cool. And okay, so we got the USB cable. And this can go, I think, to the box and to your PC, so you can download more sounds and stuff like that to the voice box. That's probably right here because it looks like it. Then we have a Cat 5 cable that probably connects from this guy, probably to your voice box, I'm assuming. And here we go, the voice box. Let's get into this guy. Put that to the side. This guy right here. Cool. That's a cool little voice box. Yeah, so you got your Cat 5 cord port for your controls using the Cat 5 cord, and then you got the USB to go, you know, for this plug to go into your computer. The speaker, it's nice. It's got a little shield on it. On the top here, it looks like it's got your volume control. I guess your two LEDs, one's for stat and battery. Your little plug-in for charging it. It's all you know, runs off batteries, and then you got your on and off switch. And look at that. I think we might actually have some power. So, or maybe not. So I'm gonna charge this up and then hook all this up and see how it sounds. So I'll be back. All right, so we gave it a little charge. You know what? I don't think we actually had to. I think it comes pre-charged. So let's open this up and get this controls and see how this zombie sound works, huh? How about that? Yeah, everybody likes that. Everybody likes zombie sounds. There we go. A little twist tie. Pop that off. Stretch it out. Let me see. There we go. Plug it in right there. Boop. And then let's plug it in right here. Boop. Clicky, clicky. All right, let's see. Volume, so. All right. Whoa! Look at that sound. Whoa, that's cool. A little hungry eating brain sound. Sounds like he's getting munched on right there. So on and off, you can play it, and then turn it off. I guess on off for the buttons. Here's another one. Ooh.
Brain.
Yeah. That's awesome. Brains. He's hungry. That's your hungry button. He's hungry. You gotta feed him. What's this one do? Oh, it's like a... Oh, poor guy needs an inhaler. Well, let's crank this thing up. Wow. That's... All right, let's see how loud this thing gets. Oh! That is really loud. If you hear my son, he's over here with me right now on this stuff like that. So yeah, this speaker produces some sound. That is loud. Definitely get the point across. Wow. Well, I'm impressed. That is loud. Right on. So, well, there it is. All right, guys, that's going to about do it for today's unboxing and review. Go check out VFX at vfxcreates.com and get yourself one of these. Go ahead and make a puppet or buy the puppet. Whatever, but check them out. I really highly recommend them. This little speaker's got some powerful punch. So, in the meantime... Why don't you go eat?
Brain.
Because you're good for you. All right, I'm Terry with Terrified. See ya.